Are you always in the mood?
Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. To my amazing new subscribers, because I know that you are seeing this for the first time and I know that you are going to definitely subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Before I dive into today's video, I want you to do something for me. Like this video, please. Thank you. Share with friends. Hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my important video. I am going to do two things before I dive into today's topic. The first thing is that I am going to say thank you for supporting me, for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, for sharing with friends, for your comments, for your love and support. I say thank you. Today we are over 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. I say thank you. I say thank you. I say thank you. Thank you so much. And also, I am going to be apologizing for not posting video for a long time. A lot of people have been asking questions, why haven't I posted, and so many things. That's what happens when you have a lot in your plate and the least one is going to suffer it, and that's what is happening to this channel. But I can't promise you anything for now, but I believe that one day everything is going to balance well if I can be able to balance my hands. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about some requests a lot of people made and some questions people were asking. Someone asked me if they can use AI to write in this platform that I have shared on my channel. The other person is asking me to teach. But before I teach, I don't know if you have listened to my previous video on how to write with AI or if AI can be used, because I have done that video in this my channel. Yeah. So if you have not listened to the video, okay, listen to this one now. Maybe I am going to be talking about something different. I might be saying something different from the ones that I have done so far. So the first thing I have to ship in is that as a beginner, as a new writer, please put that in quote, that I am talking to new writers, people that want to venture into writing as a skill. I'm not talking about ODs, I'm talking about new writers. But if you are an OD and you want to listen to this video, it might be beneficial to you. It might help you teach other ones. So as a new writer, as a newbie, writing with AI is gonna frustrate you. Yeah, I'm telling you, if you didn't do what? Learn the basic, the foundational aspect of fictional writing. You can use AI to write non-fictional because of what? It is almost a general knowledge. Why in AI, using AI to write fictional stories requires a maximum studying or research. And how do you do that? Please listen to this. And how do you do that? By doing what I call foundational research. And what is that foundational research? You want to write for Goodnovel, you want to write for Letterlux, you want to write for Dream or Story or web novel or Wattpad and so on, a lot of platform out there. What do you do for you to get that foundational or the basic knowledge that you need? All you have to do is for you to do what? to go to the platform, study. I have been saying read. Let me use the word study. Go to the platform, read up to 10 to 5 stories based on the genre you want to focus on. Is it mafia? Is it billionaire? Is it werewolf? Go and read them. Study it, not just reading. Study it. Because when you have studied it, you will know what the platform wants, how their story is being written. Then after you have done that, that's the first thing you have to do as a beginner writer that want to make writing a skill. That's the first thing you are going to do. Go to the platform, digest book. It is not a mode that you are going to read the full story, but I always advise, find the one that has 80 to 100,000 words. Finish it. Even if you don't have money to unlock books, you use the ads. Like in Jimmy, you can unlock with 2 chapters in a day. In Letterlux, you can do 5. Then in Goodnovel, I don't know for now, because the last time I checked, I was able to read 36 free with ads. Yes, in a day. Don't check when you do that, like 3 days with a booker that have 100 chapters. 32 into 4 is how many? It's more than 120. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you, that if you want to do that, you first of all go to the foundation, study how this platform works. Then after you have done that, then you learn what we call prompt engineering. It is all over the YouTube, all over the internet on what we call prompt engineering. By the end of this video, I am going to give you the little knowledge I have on how to write outline with AI. A lot of people are using AI to write their outline, but you won't know because of what? They have learned the basics. Even if you run it through GPT, you will not see it. It will be giving you 100% human written, but they use AI to write it. That's what we call sixth sense. They know the foundation. They know what this platform wants, and they use the knowledge to direct AI on what AI is going to do for them. Okay? So that's the first thing you have to do. The first thing, like I said, you go to the platform, digest, read, know how it works. That's the basic. Know the foundation. There are 3 chapters. Even if you are lazy to read the whole book, read the 3 chapters. Know how it works. Know how these people write their stories. Then you can be able to direct AI on what to do for you. So basically what I am talking about based on the prompt engineering now is that after you have done this research, you have done this reading, what you are going to do is for you to, okay, if I've not answered this question based on can you use AI to write, the question is yes, you can use AI to write, but you need to master it. If you do not master it, after writing and you submit to the platform will tell you that you are using AI. And even when people will read your story is going to be emotionless. There will be no emotion, no tension. Everybody that reads your story will know that this is from AI, because of what? You don't know how it works. But if you know how it works, you will know that when you get something from AI, you are going to filter it. For example, you got something from AI, your chapter 1, after going through it, if you know the basis, what people are doing out there, you can be able to remove some parts and put some parts. That's why a lot of old writers can easily use AI to write, because they have known the secret. So I'm telling you, as a new writer, as a beginner, what you are going to do is for you to go and learn the basics, the foundation, how these things works, how the chapters are being written, how many plots are you going to see in a chapter. In a fast-paced story, a chapter is supposed to have 2 to 3 or 4 plots in it. So that's what you are supposed to learn, so that when you are directing your AI, you will know what to direct your AI to do for you. You can use AI, but it requires maximum work. Using AI to write doesn't make your work easier. I will tell you, it makes your work cumbersome. Yes, if they are going to tell you the truth, if some writers can tell you the truth. I know a friend of mine that how she does her own is that she will first of all get from ChatGPT, she will run it through Cloudy AI, she will now use her own hand and rewrite 3 steps for it to come out well. So you can use AI to write. Then it is not something that I don't think there's anybody. Even I have gone through all the channels in this YouTube channel, even people that are teaching how to write with AI, their pattern of writing is not the same pattern of web novel, Goodnovel, Letterlux, and so on and so forth. So if you use their pattern, you are going to be getting rejected. But if you use this pattern I'm telling you now, to tell you the truth, you are going to be getting contracts. Almost all the ideas in this world are being recycled. So what do? Go and read 5, 10 to 20 stories, so that you can be able to direct AI. For example, let me give you an example. Okay, you want to write an outline of a story you want to write on. After reading this thing that I have talked about, then for example, it's a story all about a female lead and the male lead knowing themselves after one night, and the female lead or the male lead now disappeared. You have learned the ideas, you know what you want the AI to do, you have gotten your ideas. Your story idea can be 500 to 600 words. You have your story idea. I will write this thing down, you will see it soon. You have your story idea. Then after your story idea, you will now go to AI and tell AI, using the above story idea, I want you to give me the title, the genre, the tropes, the setting, the characterization, the plots. Then under the plots, I want you to have the exposition, the inciting incidents, the rising action, the climax, and the ending, that is your denouement. You see, 5-element structure. You have given AI the idea. Don't be that lazy to tell AI to give you story idea. No. If you ask AI to give you story idea, AI will give you maybe someone's story and it is against the rule. That's why you need to read. Know what you want. You can combine this thing. Black and white. AI, I want this black and white. Nobody now anywhere will come and combine this black and white. It's not going to be the same. I don't know if I'm making sense. You have read 10 stories. You can combine story 1 to story 8. The idea of story 1 to idea of story 8 and make it your own. Then you can now use the idea and tell AI to draft this thing for you. Then after AI have dropped it for you, then you go through it. Go through it to know if AI gives you what you want. That's why I said writing with AI takes a lot of what? Research and patience. You can use AI to write, yes, but you need to work. You need to sit up and work. Know the basics, know how this works. At the end of this video, I am going to be dropping this thing that I just said. I'm going to drop it as a picture. So that's that. Okay, I don't know if I answered this question right. I think I talked too much in this video, but please, if you learned something, do well to comment on the comment section. If you have any question, anything that you want me to treat, please do drop it on the comment section. And I have begged you, don't come into my DM and be asking me questions. I might not answer you. Then if you want a private coaching and if you want a course that can help you journey well in this your ghostwriting journey or your web novelist journey, please don't forget that I am there for you. You can contact me for your course and your lifetime mentorship. Until then, see you in my next video. Do well to subscribe, like and share with friends. Thank you.